This looks good to me though. Let's go ahead and see if it actually is now. I mean, I thought reveal and finder. Thought I was looking at the right folder, but maybe I was looking at a different one. Okay, is now. Oh, God. User error, user error, user error. My bad, my bad, my bad. I was looking at the wrong thing. I put it here. I had it on the V24 USD. And your boy is tripping. My bad, my bad, my bad. So let's go ahead and update that. Paste it in there. Now that should work. There we go. Okay, so it dropped it down to 100 columns now. So that's good. If you saw yesterday, you saw that I was going through this 140 symbols for almost 2 hours. I know I was talking too, so it was slower than it could have been. But I would say to go through 140 symbols and check to see if they're like, just do your little eyeball check here. Like, is it a rug? Is there orders down here? That took a while. So we're trying to get it to be smaller. But I like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one would have fallen into our terms, maybe. But it also looks like it had this huge pump. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at this new data. So the new launches here should only be launches. So every single one of these now should be new launches. Like, okay, and how are we going to prove that? We're just going to open it up. Now, obviously, there's a better way to do this, and I'm working on it. But this is a pretty sufficient way for now. Like, the perfect way would probably just be, or I know, in my opinion at least, would be to scan the blockchain. So just scan Solana for the new launches, all token creations. So we have that on our list to do. It's just going to be a little more intricate. So I want to go ahead and get this going because I think this is going to be super useful to always be aware. Like, some people don't know how to code, so I can throw this probably in the Discord, and yeah, I think that would be dope. Let's tap the like button. Let's get up to 20 likes today, and I will show you absolutely everything. Keith, I appreciate it. He says, i.e. the data frames are being stored locally with Chrome buffer and not getting flushed. Yeah, I gotta research that, B. But thank you for sending me down that path. I need to learn more. Oops. I.e. the data frames. Okay, perfect though. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. All right, so you can see this was a new launch, right? Because it has this thing here, the new token. Okay, so that one's proven out to be a new launch. This one as well is a new launch. Perfect. So let's just make sure, like, 10 of them. Let's spot check them here. 3. Okay, that was a rug pull, but that's what our next filters are gonna be. New launch. Perfect. This is great. This is so good. So now we capture all the new launches. We did it an easier way than building something on Solana. So that's interesting. Cool. All right, let's go to the next step. What is the next step? We have this list, and now we're gonna go through and filter it pretty much. My goal is to get from the 10,000 tokens down to like 20. I don't know. 20 tokens, maybe even 10 that my bot can just like snipe. Pew, pew, pew. So that's what I'm thinking, at least. So let's go through these documentations here and public APIs, API sample response request, overview, API sample response request. I think this is the one. Okay, so let's go ahead. We have token overview. Obtain an overview of a token, including key information such as symbol, name, overview, and relevant data. I'm probably gonna need that at some point. Access a list of available DeFi tokens. Oh, but I don't want to get too excited here because remember, I still haven't heard back from the people. I know it's the weekend, but I need to get that pro access. I need to get that pro access. Let's see. I'm going to check my Telegram right now. Oh, snap. Actually just got some response here. Let me go ahead and read it. So I can check out the packages available.